Sunday morning, we're going out on our the first ride on Lance's new CVO right there. Looking good. We don't know where we're going to go yet. We're kind of figuring it out right now. What do you think, Galen?
Well, it's Sunday morning, and you know what? Not all of our rides are long. Sometimes we just go take a shorty. Got to get out of the house and make a 2-hour, 3-hour run. So we'll let you know where we end up today.
Yeah,
Stay
we'll have some footage. What do you think of that bike, Lance?
Stoked on the bike. It's like 20 miles in, but I got a phone call this morning saying that my chopper is ready for pickup from a buddy who had to do a couple things to it. So I want to go pick my chopper up. I got a buddy meeting me over there with a truck. Gonna kind of change the ride today.
So we're gonna just have fun doing whatever today, but you know, hey, come with us on whatever we do. Later.
I don't know where we're at. We're somewhere out in Oxnard. What's the guy's shop here? Jake. We're at Jake's shop picking up Lance's Harley. Chopper style.
Okay. Oh, and there's this shit is metric too. Is it? Yeah, I don't know.
Well, we made it down to the world famous Neptunes Net. Usually this place on Saturdays and Sundays is packed with bikes. I don't know about these Southern California guys. There's a couple clouds out. Maybe they think it's going to rain.
There was a 30% chance of rain, so people stay at home maybe?
Yeah, maybe. I don't get it.
But we went and picked up Lance's chopper, and then we were rolling through some farmlands of Oxnard and by Point Magoo, and just came out here and figured we'd get a burger or something to eat, and we'll show you some cool riding on this little mini trip for us.
Yeah, we'll zip up Canaan, and you'll get to see some nice footage of that canyon. Lots of cool roads here in Southern California. Hey, 2-laners, come inside this Neptunes Net. You'll enjoy this. Hey, there's Dom and Lance.
Water for hours. So what's up? What's up, dude? There was a little bit of rain on the forecast, so everyone got scared and didn't come out, which is actually pretty funny.
Yeah, that is kind of funny. Dom, where's your bike?
Beautiful day. Which one? We're all at home, but I got a panhead in the back of the truck.
There you go.